So right now we're going to be calibrating the magnetometer and compass inside of this new splash drone, fully waterproof drone. To do that, I'm going to, Brandon, pick up the aircraft and rotate horizontally. So you can see right here, tells us what to do. He has to do the almighty drone dance to the gods to get the magnetometer to calibrate. So basically what he's doing right now is spinning the compass in 360, and as he does that, nose down, as he does that in different orientations, it allows the compass to get a geo-lock of where it is in reference to magnetic headings, and thereby calibrating the compass. All right, aircraft initializing. And you can see right here, it's telling us to please wait.
A few moments later.
And we're good to go. All right, power down, power back on.